Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss next lesson from section C. Title of the lesson is The Gold Frame and it has been written by R.K. Lakshman. This is image of the writer R.K. Lakshman. First of all, I would like to give you a brief introduction to the writer R.K. Lakshman. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Lakshman 1921 to 2015 was an Indian cartoonist, illustrator, and humorist. He is best known for his creation, The Common Man, and for his daily cartoon strip, You Said It, in the Times of India, which started in 1951. So, R.K. Lakshman was an Indian cartoonist, illustrator, and humorist. Humorist means the writings written by R.K. Lakshman are full of funny elements, funny characters, and incidents. So he is called a humorist. Lakshman published numerous short stories. Numerous means several, many. He published so many short stories, essays, and travel articles, some of which were collected in The Distorted Mirror, which he wrote in 2003. He also wrote the novels The Hotel Rivera 1988 and The Messenger in 1993, and an autobiography The Tunnel of Time in 1998. So these are the famous writings by R.K. Lakshman. In addition, numerous collections of Lakshman's cartoons were published. In 2005, he was awarded the Padam Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor. So he was awarded Padam Bhushan and Padam Vibhushan, which is India's second highest civilian honor, civilian award. So he is a very famous and great personality. Let's now have a look over the brief introduction to the story, The Gold Frame. The Gold Frame is a short story written by the cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. In this story, the writer tries to bring out the characteristics of Indian middle class. So this story is related to or is concerned with the Indian middle class people and their characteristics. The hypocrisy and false prestige typical to middle class are well exposed in this story. In this story, the writer R.K. Lakshman, he expresses the hypocrisy and hypocrisy means the showy nature or their false prestige which is typical to middle class people. He is expressing both of these qualities or both of these characteristics of Indian people, hypocrisy and false prestige. This story, like most other works by Lakshman, treats the themes of false prestige and society with simplicity and humor. The author describes the plight of a frame maker Datta who splashes paint on the picture of an old and respected gentleman that a customer wished to have framed. The vivid description of the otherwise ordinary characters and the unexpected adds to the humor of the story. So, in this story, R.K. Lakshman gives the themes of false prestige and society with simplicity, and he also presents humor in this story. In this story, there is a character named Datta who is a frame maker. One day, while framing a picture, he splashes paint on that picture. That picture is of an old and respected gentleman that a customer wished to have framed. The vivid description of the otherwise ordinary characters means the characters in this story are ordinary. Ordinary means common, they are common people, and the unexpected adds to the humor of the story. And what happens unexpectedly in this story adds to the humor of the story, the gold frame. Let's now begin with the story. The Gold Frame, a short story, speaks about a person called Datta, hardworking man who commits a mistake and tries to rectify it. In this story, Datta is the main character. He is very hardworking, and one day he commits a mistake, and then he tries to rectify it. Rectify means to amend, to improve. He to correct. Rectify means to correct. When he commits a mistake while framing a picture, he tries to correct it. Lakshman tries to bring out the satirical character of man in the customer who meets Datta. So, through the character who comes to Datta's shop for framing, for the framing of a picture of his old one. So through that character, Lakshman tries to bring out the style. The modern frameworks of photo frame shop was an extra large wooden packing case built on shaking wooden stand. In the story, the name of the shop was the Modern Frameworks. That was a photo frame shop, and it was an extra large wooden packing case. It was made of wood and it was built on shaking wooden stand. It was situated between a drugstore and radio repair shop. Where was it situated? Between a drugstore and a radio repair shop. Datta was its owner. He was silent, hardworking man. Means he doesn't speak much. He was a silent, hardworking man. He gave laconic answers to his customers. Laconic means brief. He gave brief answers to his customers. Datta does not like casual friends who tried to intrude on his silent zone. He always sat amidst cardboard pieces, bits of wood, glass sheets, nail boxes, glue bottles, paint tins, and other odds and ends that went into putting a picture in a frame. So, Datta was always found to sit amidst the things which were necessary for the framing of a picture, like cardboard pieces, bits of wood, glass sheets, nail boxes, glue bottles, paint tins, such things which were necessary for framing of a picture. Many times he had to shake his dhoti vigorously in search of a lost object. This would shake his whole shop, and whenever he had to shake his dhoti in search of a lost thing, object means lost thing, this would shake his whole shop because it was made of wood. His shop was fully covered with pictures. One day, a customer standing in the pavement outside his shop showed him a picture and said, I want this picture framed. Datta ignored him. One day, what happens? A customer comes to his shop, and by standing in the pavement outside his shop, that customer showed a picture to Datta and said that he wanted that picture framed. Datta ignored him. The customer unwrapped the newspaper and showed Datta the photograph. So when Datta ignores him, the customer unwraps the newspaper from that photo and showed that photograph to Datta. The customer wanted the best kind of frame. Datta had a glimpse of the photograph. It was just another elderly person's photograph. When the customer shows that photograph to Datta, he tells Datta that he wanted the best kind of frame. Datta had a glimpse. Glimpse means have a look over that photograph. It was a photograph of an elderly person. The customer started to describe the greatness of the old man, and the man in the photograph was God in his home. By showing him the photograph, the customer started to describe the greatness of the old man in that photograph. He tells Datta that that man was like God in his home. Datta asked, what sort of a frame do you want? The customer started to describe the greatness of the old man, and he tells Datta that that man was like God in his home. Datta asked, what sort of a frame do you want? Datta gave the customer options like plain, wooden lacquer, gold, plastic, or just enamel painted. Datta asks him that what sort of a frame he wants for that picture, for that photograph. He gives him so many options of different frames. The customer surveyed the frames which shown by Datta. The customer repeated, I want the best. He was unable to select the frame. At last, Datta came to his rescue and suggested one with a profusion of gold leaves and winding creepers. And when the customer seems to be unable to select a frame, then Datta helps him in selecting one which was having gold leaves and winding creepers. Datta said that it was imported frame from Germany. The customer was seemed impressed and satisfied by seeing that frame, and by hearing about its specialty that it was from Germany. The customer seemed impressed and satisfied by that frame. Datta helped the customer with the amount also. The customer tried to bargain but later on agreed with Datta. First, the customer tries to bargain about the payment of that frame with Datta, but later on he agreed with him. So, students, we have covered some part of the story today. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.